Good day, everyone. I am Hazel Garrig, and today I will be sharing some essential points to consider when integrating information and communication technology, or also known as ICT, in facilitating language education. So, as we all know, ICT has become a vital tool in modern classrooms. It helps teachers make lesson more interactive and allow students to learn language in a creative and meaningful way. But to use ICT effectively, we must understand how to integrate it first, as we are the kanang future educators, or we are the builders of kanang learners of our students. So first, we need to clear learning objectives. So before using any ICT tool, teachers should first identify why they're using it. Technology must serve as a learning goal, not the other way around. For example, if the goal is to improve students' listening skills, using audio-based apps or podcasts would make sense. But if the goal is vocabulary building, tools like Quizlet or WorldWall might be more effective. Second, accessibility and availability. Availability. So teachers must also consider if the students have access to the necessary devices or stable internet connections. Not all learners have equal access to technology. So it's important to choose tools that are easy to use and accessible when with a low bandwidth even with the low bandwidth or offline options. Since accessibility is a major kanang problem of kanang ICT integration, since there are kanang places don't have kanang internet capacity that can help the students learn in meaningful ways using ICT integration. So next, we have teacher and students digital literacy. Integrating ICT successfully also depends on both the teachers and students digital skills. Teachers need to know how to operate the tools and guide students properly. Likewise, students should be taught how to use ICT responsibly and effectively for learning, not just for entertainment. Since technology is the kind of tool that we uses to integrate learning in more creative and meaningful way. So we need to responsibly and effectively taught our students on how to use that specific ICT tool. Next is interactivity and engagement. ICT should encourage participation, not passive learning. Using platforms like Kahoot, Edmodo, or Padlet can help make language classes more engaging. These tools promote collaboration, peer feedback, and active involvement, all of which are essential in language learning. So we have different kind of ICT tools or apps right now. We have Merriam-Webster that it also include games in terms in vocabulary and grammar. We also have Quizlet or Wordscapes that can make the students or the learner use their critical thinking skills. Next is cultural and ethical considerations. When using ICT, it is important to promote digital citizenship. Teachers should remind students to respect online etiquette, cite sources properly, and avoid plagiarism. Language learning also involves cultural understanding, so ICT can be used to expose learners to authentic materials like videos or articles from native speakers. Next, we have assessment and feedback. It is the last steps to integrate uh, language and ICT integration. So next is lastly is assessment and feedback. Technology also allows teachers to access learning in diverse ways. Online quizzes, recording tools, and writing apps can give instant feedback, like how we present our discussion right now. So it is also a sample of assessment and feedback. If Ma'am Ranas give assessment of my video right now, then it is also an assessment and feedback to know if my presentation right now is good or not. So, however, teachers must still ensure that assessment remain fair, valid, and aligned with the lesson objectives. So, therefore, I conclude that ICT integrating in language education is not just about using technology, it's about using it wisely. Teachers must always align technology with learning goals, ensure accessibility, build digital literacy, encourage engagement, and promote ethical use. So, when used truthfully, ICT can truly transform language classrooms into spaces of creativity, collaboration, and global connection. Thank you and have a great day.